Hey guys, what's up? So this is Hudson Moore back at you with another video. Today we have a death match. As you see, that there's a little girl riding on that, and there's a little girl riding on that. It's a death match. So we have to make half court shots. Yep. Oh my God!
Alright, who's going first? Allie, take your everyday path, dum-dum.
Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Oh my God!
Alright, 1, 2.
Oh God! Did you make that?
I made my first one.
Oh my God! Made it back safely.
Hey, I got a Glock in my roll.
It's literally a death run. There's 2 people trying to run over us. Oh my God. No. Not always. I still go behind you. Or in front of you.
Still, when we count it, so it's still tied though.
Crap. Dude, this is hard. This is so hard.
Check this out.
Ow!
What's that on that beat? Oh.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. He was good on the low for a faded. On some faded love. What the f you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Your white horse in a carriage that you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Never could imagine, never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me.
Check this out.
That's gonna be the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button and subscribe. Peace out.